If you want to express a desire for someone's well-being in Italian, you can use the phrase
Ti auguro ogni bene.
which means I wish you well or I wish you the best.
Ti auguro ogni bene.
Let's break this phrase down into bite-sized chunks.
Ti
An indirect object pronoun in Italian that can translate as either you or to you.
auguro,
The first person present conjugation of
augurare.
to wish. As is often the case in Italian, the subject pronoun io, I, can be omitted.
Ogni
The word for every or each in Italian.
bene.
In this case, bene is a noun that means good thing, advantage, or well-being in Italian. This means that literally the phrase translates as, I wish you every good. If you want to mention someone else besides T in your greeting, it becomes necessary to slightly adjust the sentence structure. Consider the following example.
Auguro ogni bene a te e famiglia.
I wish you and your family well. As you can see, T, an unstressed object pronoun, has become
A te.
a stressed object pronoun, and it comes after auguro ogni bene. By the way, there is also a literal translation of I wish you the best.
Ti auguro il meglio. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.